Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will write a program to calculate the discount on of amount and discounted rate for which you can get product for sale using TypeScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, we have here, write a program to calculate the discount amount and the discounted rate for which you can get the product for sale. The product price is 145.45 and the discount percentage is 5%, and display the result on the screen. Formula to compute the discount amount of product: discount underscore amount equals discount underscore percentage multiplied by price over 100. Formula to compute the discount price of the product, we have here discounted underscore price equals price discount amount. So we have here the solution. So we have here series of comments. Var product underscore price 45.45 discount underscore percentage 5. So we have here the formula for solving the amount of the product, for solving for the discount amount of the product. Var discount underscore amount discount underscore percentage multiplied by product underscore price divided by 100. Solving for the discounted price of the product. Var discounted underscore price product underscore price minus discounted amount. Okay, so discounted amount math floor discounted price multiplied by 100. We want to have two decimal places here, the same thing here. So we have here discount solver in TypeScript, product price, two decimal places, two fixed two, and then percentage, discount amount, discount price, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our Visual Studio Code. Let us go with the terminal window. We select new terminal. Okay, we compile now TSC TypeScript compiler discount.ts. Let us wait for a while the compilation process will take place now. It takes some time to perform the compilation process. Okay, to run node discount.ts. So we have here discount solver in TypeScript, product price 145.45 pesos, discount 5%, discount amount is 7.25 at 27, discount price will be 138.17 in the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about discount solver in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.